Hello, my name's Danielle. Please excuse my messy appearance, but I've just come out of an Aqua Aerobics class. Yes, I know they're not cool and trendy, but it brings me so much joy. I love going to those classes and always leave with a smile on my face. Now, I think we can all agree that physical activity is great for your mental and physical well-being. How much easier would it be if you actually enjoyed what you did? In fact, it's been proven that if you do enjoy it, you're more likely to do that exercise and to stick to doing it. So you may be wondering how you or your children can try out a load of different activities and different things to do. Well, why don't you come and join us? At Academic Camp, we've got a May half-term camp running at Queen's College. We're going to be surfing one day. We will be playing basketball. We've got tennis courts, football, volleyball, so much going on. And in the summer classes, so much more, particularly at our Sidcot and Queen's campus. We've got horse riding, archery and swimming and loads and loads of different things. So what are you waiting for? Come and book in with us and find out what sparks your joy.